Hey guys, it's your girl Ashley. If you're new to my channel, what's up? Today I have a unboxing slash swatches video of new makeup. This makeup has been in the background for months now and I haven't been able to get to it. I haven't even been able to play with it because I'm like, I don't want to mess this up. I want it to look really pretty when I do reviews and swatches, but I want to try this makeup on. I just want to have it there, come on, you know what I mean? And I do want to apologize in advance in case you guys hear noises in the background. I can't control that, so yeah. But this is all the makeup stuff I'm going to be unboxing and showing you guys and everything, so let's get to it. So the first item here is this Laura Geller Illuminator palette. Now this retails for about $32, but I remember I got it on sale for $19 at Ulta. So let me open this up. One thing I hate opening boxes with nails is that I can't open it nicely. I always rip up the box really ugly. You know, like this video if you can relate. But when you open it up, this is what the palette looks like. I hope the camera is focusing because, you know, camera. Come on. This is what the palette looks like, and then when you open this up, you got these highlighters right here. So pretty. They are a little bit smaller than the regular highlighters that Laura Geller has, but not too smaller. So the first one I'm gonna swatch is this one here, which is called Opal Crush, which is a pinky purpley one. So this is what it looks like on my fingernail, and this is what it looks like when I swatch it behind my hand. It is so pretty. It kind of reminds me of one that I have from MAC, but that's really nice. The second one is this one called French Fizz, which is kind of reminds me of Glided Honey. This is what it looks like behind my finger, and this is what it looks like when I swatch it behind my hand. They're kind of I don't know, they're really nice. Now the next one is the Diamond Dust, which is more of an icy, pinky kind of highlighter. Now this is what it looks like behind my finger. And then this is what it looks like on the swatch. So definitely the first one is more of a purpley one, and this one is more like a pinky, icy one, and this one's more like, you know, that, you know, goldy kind of one. They're so pretty. I remember when the colorful highlighters started coming out, I was not into it, but now I am. I just think that it's super fun and playful. But again, I got this for about $18, $19. It was on sale during that Ulta Beauty kind of month situation, but I know normally it's about $29, $30 or so. So next here I have another Laura Geller product. This is an eyeshadow palette. This is the Nude Attitude eyeshadow, which is interesting because I was trying to find right now, because I know I bought it at Ulta. I was trying to find it in the app and I can't find it. I don't know if it was a limited edition or if they're not carrying it anymore, but I literally just bought this not that long ago. So I don't know what's going on with that, so I can't remember how much I bought this for, and this is what it looks like. Now, it's a little dirty because I actually did a tutorial with this look, but I lost the footage of that, you know, story of my life. But let me go ahead and do some swatches for y'all. So here is a swatch of all of them. Sorry, I was a little crooked, but I will say that the mattes in there are very, very soft, but the last, these here are so pigmented and so freaking beautiful. Yes, I am loving this here, but the other ones that are supposed to be transition colors and crease colors, I'm not a huge fan of the way that they feel and the way that they go on. I feel they're just too soft. I need something that's a little bit more pigmented. Okay, so here's another Laura Geller thing. I feel Laura Geller had a lot of deals going on, so that's why I purchased a lot of their stuff. But this one I'm actually really interested in. This is the Weekender. It's Face, Eyes, and Cheek palettes. They're very decent and small, and they're 3 palettes for $27. So let's open this baby up so I can show y'all what's in here. So it looks yeah, so they have Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday. So, girl, it is Friday. Let's see what colors we are gonna be getting here. Oh, this is pretty. Look at this. Super freaking cute. You got the eyeshadow. You got the blush over here. You got the highlight over here. Let me do some swatches. So here is the swatches for this Flirty Friday palette. It is super pretty. These are definitely my colors. I'm definitely going to use this. I'm so excited to use this. Like, look at those. So pretty, like pinky, shimmery colors. So cute, you know, Flirty Friday. Let's see what we have going on for Saturday. So this is the Saturday palette. Let's open this up. Okay, you got more of the bold night out colors. Now this honestly doesn't really scream at me. Like, these are not typically the colors that I would go for. So let's do some swatches. So here's the swatches for Saturday. Now I typically don't wear grays or blues, so that's why I'm not like too excited about it, but they swatched pretty well. I'll just have to give it a try and go from there. Last but not least, we have the Sunday palette. Now when you open this up, you have your neutrals. Super freaking pretty. I mean, you can't go wrong with neutrals. That's the thing. So let me swatch. Here's the swatches for Sunday in neutral colors. Beautiful. I am loving this palette. Next here we have this Cover FX. This is the Glam and Glow Shimmer Veil Trio. So this you can use for your lips, for your cheeks, for your eyes, for everything. Now this normally retails for $25, but it's on sale at Ulta right now for $12.50, which I think is pretty good, but honestly I don't remember how much I paid for it. This was a while back ago, but let me open this up and see what is good in here. So I'm obsessed right now with the, I can't remember the name of the brand, but there's these it's like a, comes in like in a square looking kind of thing, and it has an applicator and it goes on your eyes and it just makes it shimmer and pretty. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. So I think this is the reason why I was so intrigued about these. But this is in the color Moonstone. So let me do a swatch here. Moonstone. There's also this one called Celestial, and we also have Soleo. Somebody commented actually on my video saying how like they hate the way that I pronounce the swatches, but that they think I'm pretty. So thank you, but I know my English is not so good. Okay, I already know that. So here are the swatches. Obviously this one down here is super dark, so I could only see me using this one for like the lips or for the eyes. And now the one in the middle is pretty good. I can actually use that for like a highlight, for my lips again, or for my eyes. And then the one on the top is super pretty because it has like a pinky kind of undertone, which would be really nice for the lips and for the eyes. So I've never actually used these for lips or for cheeks. I've always just thought about eyes, so I'm gonna give that a try and see what happens. One of my New Year's resolutions is to try like different makeup techniques and just, you know, get out of my comfort zone. Like the makeup eye that the makeup look that I have on right now on the eyes, like this is something that I normally wouldn't do, but I just wanted to try something different. So comment below, let me know, do you guys like this look or not? Next product is this BH Cosmetics Got Me Beaming highlighters. Now I couldn't find this at Ulta again, so I can't remember how much I paid for this, but basically it's just some highlighters, pressed highlighters. This is what it looks like. Here are the swatches of the highlighters. Super pretty. They are beaming. Look at how pretty they are. Super cute. But you know, I always struggle with my highlight because like I have textured skin. I wish my baby face was smooth, but it's not. It has bumps. It has big pores. So I struggle when applying highlighter because I don't have it that smooth. But look, right now it's looking okay. I don't know how it's gonna come on in camera, but I feel like it's looking good. It's looking real good. Am I gleaming or not? Is gleaming the word? Am I glowing? I think glowing sounds better. Next here we have a Tarte product. This is the Sweet Escape Collector's set. Now honestly what got my attention was the packaging of this. I was in Ulta and I was just looking around and then I saw this and I was like, what is this? It actually comes really nice wrapped down here. This is the first time I open it, but the packaging got me. Like, this is pretty freaking cute and different. And then you open this up. I just don't want to break it because I have tendencies of breaking things, but you open this up and you have all of this here. Like, isn't this such cute packaging? Like, I'm just obsessed right now with how cute this packaging is. It's gold. It is pretty. But let me tell you guys what's in here. So on this side over here, it has a lipstick. So this is, but it's a really small little mini lipstick. Let's swatch it just because I don't know what it looks like. But it's like a nice neutral kind of color. But it comes with a little mini lipstick. It also comes with a mini mascara. And it also comes with a eyeliner, which is like a liquid pin black eyeliner. On this side over here, it has a bronzer, 2 blushes, and a highlighter. And then in the center, you have all the beautiful eyeshadows. Oh, I'm sorry, it's like blinding you because it has like a little thingy on it, but I don't know how to take it off. On this side over here, it has a bronzer, 2 blushes, and a highlighter. And in the center, you have all the eyeshadows. So let me swatch this side first, and then I'll do the eyeshadows. So here is the blush, bronzer, and highlight, super subtle. Sorry, I'm having a really hard time doing swatches today for some weird reason. But yeah, those are all the colors. A lot of like neutrals and just, I like how there's a lot of actually matte shades and shimmer shades. So you can create a lot of looks. And all of this was like $49. Even though the eyeshadows are pretty small, I mean, they're very small and squared, I still feel like you can get a lot out of this palette. So for, I think it was $49, I think it's pretty good. Have you guys ever heard of eye candy? I have some glitters from them. So I actually first saw them at Morphe, but didn't remember because I got these at the makeup show. So I bought 2 at Morphe, didn't use them. I saw them at the makeup show and I was so excited because like anything glitter, you're always like, oh my god, so exciting. I'm actually wearing one of them on my eyes right now. I'll try to figure out which one it is, but I'm gonna go ahead and do some swatches because individually they're just gonna take forever. Here are the swatches of the glitters. Now the first swatch here is the one that I have on my eyes right now. So the cool thing about this is that when I went to the makeup show, I actually bought, I think it was on, I can't remember the price, it was like 6 for $40. It was like, yeah, 6 glitters for $40, but you also got the solution with it and you also got an applicator with it. So these 2 together will help you out with the glitter and make it look shiny. And this is what I used to just apply it on the eyes. I didn't use any other kind of applicator. So I'm actually really excited to play with these. Like, I got the red one because I was going to do a look for Christmas and I never got around to it. But the colors are just really pretty, glittery. Like, come on. I just love glitter. Anything glitter is always going to be fun. Moving on, I have this BH Cosmetics Desert Oil Oasis, yeah. Yeah, we have this palette here. I don't really know how to pronounce that word, so we're just gonna move along because then y'all gonna talk smack. So this is what the palette looks like. Really, really cute and nice. Let me go ahead and, oh, I put my fingernail on there, but this is what the palette looks like. Super pretty. Let me do some swatches and hopefully I get it together. So here's the swatches of this palette. Now I will say that it's a little chunky, but the color payoff though, I feel like the camera might lighten it up a little bit because of the lighting, but it looks so freaking beautiful, especially that first one. Look at that yellow gold. It is so freaking gorgeous. This is so cute. Honestly, like, do you see, like, now that I'm back away from the lighting, like, look at how pretty these colors are. I am so excited to play with this. I've been wanting to play, but I was like, no, I need a swatch. I need to do this video. But look at how pretty. I'm obsessed with these swatches. Are so, like, it's chunky a little bit, but it's so pretty. Like, I haven't tried on my eyes yet, but the swatches, girl, this looks so cute. By the way, this retails for $22. So last but not least, I have the Take Me Back to Brazil BH Cosmetics. Like, look at how big this is. Now, to be honest with you, I've been wanting to get the Take Me to Rio and Brazil palette for a long time, but when I went to BH Cosmetics and I saw this here, like, I wanted to get it because honestly it kind of reminds me of a PR box, and like, I don't get PR boxes, and you know, you know, if you view your YouTubers, like, you see them get PR boxes and you're kind of like, oh my god, I wish I can get that. Like, that's me. So I paid to get this delivered to me. But I just love the packaging, and when you open this up, this is what it looks like inside. Like, it looks like a PR box. Like, that's what gets me so excited, is that it looks like a PR box. It's so freaking cute. Now, in here you get, I'm sorry, I'm trying to like show y'all, but at the same time, I think this is like glued down. Yeah, it is glued down, but in here you get the Take Me to Brazil palette. You also get the Take Me Back to Brazil. No, they're both Back to Brazil. So what's the difference? Oh, one is the Rio edition. And then you also get some glitters on the side. So let me unglue so I can show y'all. So here are the palettes side by side. As you guys can see, this is the Take Me to Brazil, and then this is the Rio edition. And literally, guys, it's the same thing. It's just this one is matte, and then this one is shimmer. I'm honestly overdoing swatches right now. I know you guys like, really, I really wanted you to swatch that, but I'm sorry, honey boo boo. This is a lot going on, and my arms hurt from doing all the swatches. But can we talk about this orange though? Look at how pretty that orange is. Like, honestly, the reason why I got this because I want to be more playful, and I want to play with, I can't speak, as you guys can see, but I want to play with more colors and be playful. And I'm so sad because I also missed out on buying the James Charles palette. Like, I really, really wanted that, but your girl was broke as if when he came out with that. So it is what it is. But it also comes with some glitters. This is like a fuchsia, and then over here we have this like teal green color. Then we have this one is like a party one where it has like silver, pink, and purple. And then this one's like gold, super, super pretty. This one's like a deeper orangey gold over here. And then this is more of the white with some like pink sparkles in there. So this concludes my makeup swatch unboxing new makeup video. I don't even know what I'm going to title this just yet. But I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you guys get for Christmas? What makeup palette should I get next? Comment down below. I'd love to interact with you guys. You guys are more than welcome to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat to be, you know, posted whenever I upload a new video. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.